welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we are doing Boxycharm. It's Boxycharm for June 2020 and I'm really kind of excited for this box because I have no idea what's in here. Except one item I chose a while ago. I don't even remember what it was. So this is a complete surprise to me. There hasn't been that many other videos, or I haven't really looked at sneak peeks. I just, you know, it's a surprise. Alright, so I just want to say that this is the base box. It is $25 a month. You can save a little bit of extra money by paying like 3 months in advance or 6 months or a year. You get to save a little bit of extra money. I pay for my boxes every 3 months, so I save about $5 for that period. So it ends up being $70 for 3 months instead of $75. Simple math. You save a little bit. My link is down in the description if you decide you want to sign up for Boxycharm. I do get points and, you know, that's always fun. It's always fun to add up points and then you can get like some extra gifts or something. I'm not sure. I'm still new at Boxycharm. Well, I'm still learning how everything works. So like I said, this is the base box. There is a Boxycharm Premium and there is a Boxycharm Luxe. The premium box is $35 and Boxycharm Luxe, I believe, is like an extra $25 on top of your regular subscription. And Boxy Luxe is only once every 3 months, whereas Boxycharm Base and Boxycharm Premium is every single month. So it's pretty simple how it works. It's a basic subscription box and I have no idea what's in here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Because I have no idea what's in this box, I just decided to do all of my makeup already today. I did use the Bloodlust palette on my eyes. I used a little bit of one of the pink shimmer that's in the Bloodlust palette. I used that as my highlighter. It's really freaking pretty. I'm just playing around with it. I'm going to have a tutorial using the Bloodlust palette up on my channel in a few days or so. I'm not sure when exactly, but it's coming soon though. So subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get alerted when that video comes up. Now on to the box. Alrighty, well we have a card. That's always good. Last month they didn't have cards. They had some printing issue, something going on. And this month the theme is the Oasis. Here's what the box looks like. We got some foam in there, so alrighty. So the first thing, ooh, that's pretty. That sounds really pretty. Is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I think this might be the thing that I asked for. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. I was able to choose one product and it was like between a makeup thing and a skincare thing and I went with the makeup thing. I think this is it. It is Artist Couture's Diamond Glow Powder and it looks like it's a loose powder. And this is really pretty. I'm trying to be gentle with it so I don't get it everywhere. Oh, that's nice. Very, very pretty. You can see like it shines really well. I don't know if you can see that all that well. Or is my light too bright that you just see a seriously white hand? That's really pretty. It just really shines really nicely. It's great for like a highlighter or if you want like a body shimmer or something like that. I'm definitely gonna play around with it. Let me glow everywhere. Maybe put some in my hair. Yeah. My hand's all like super glittery. Alrighty, now that I have glitter everywhere. Oh, a lip liner trio. That's nice. Okay, so the next thing that we have here from Beauty Vault, and it's a lip liner trio, Circadian lip liner trio. So that's nice. I like it. Lip liners are great and I have a cute little spot for them. Alright, so we're going glitter under lip liner. Those are pretty. Really nice nude and then like a dusty rose and then finally like a bright red. The nude one, which is this one right here, the top is called Cozy Kira. The middle one is called Beau Babe. And finally the bottom one, the bright red one, is Natty Nat. Well, I guess this one's for me since my name is Natalia and a lot of people call me Natty. So sure, yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to try that. I'll definitely try these in a future, like with tutorials and stuff like that. Alrighty. Oh, yay. Okay. I always like a little bit of skincare, and we have OMS Meta Cosmetics Intensive Eye Cream. Night and Day Eye Cream. Nice. Alrighty, and we have a skin balm. Pretty Fitters Glass Skin Balm. Glassy Skin Balm. Alright, this is Touch and Soul is the brand it looks like. Alright, so it says here it is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Ooh. That sounds nice. Oh, it's an interesting container. Okay, so here is the product, and then it opens up like this, and then this comes right out. Okay, I'm horrible at guessing smells. You could probably tell that with my Sephora video that's right up here. I'm not sure. It smells a little florally. I mean, I get a lot of people consider pretty a floral type thing. Oh, very nice. Okay, so I'm looking at some of these, and it's like it has shea butter. There's a raspberry ketone, but there is hyaluronic acid in here, so that is good for the skin. Definitely a hydrating factor there. Yeah, and there's like rose flower water, so there's a lot of floral. So I was right, there is a floral scent to it. I mean, now that I have like glitter all over my hands, I'm mixing it with this balm and putting it on my arms. Now I'm just gonna be super glittery. Hey. The balm does not have any glitter in it. It's just the glitter I had before from the artist Couture. But it's nice. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm getting in a lot of nice skin hydrating products lately, and I really kind of like it. Alrighty. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so it is the Shared Planet Tiger Eyeshadow Collection, and I'm really excited for this because I have no idea what colors they are, but it's the Tiger Collection, and I'm the year of the tiger, so let's check it out. This is really, really pretty. I'm kind of like in love with these colors. You got an even amount of shimmers and mattes, and you got beautiful colors. I'm kind of like Roar is screaming at me. Oh, look at that. Tiger eye. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, we're doing swatches. Okay, so we are doing the swatches for the Shared Planet Tiger Collection eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go over each of the colors. I have them here. We're going to start this one here. This one is Roar. It's a really light, shimmery color. The next one is a bright matte, which is called Claw. Then another shimmer here that's called Sheer Can. I'm probably saying the second word wrong. Sheer Can. Sheer Con. And then the next one is a matte, and it's called Predator. Then another shimmer, and it's called Bangle. This one here, and then this black matte is called Stripes. And then I don't know if you can see this one or not. It's a very light white, almost white cream color. It's called Siberian. It's a matte. And then there's a shimmer right next to it called Tiger Eye. It's pretty gold shimmer. And then the next one is a brown matte, which is called Whiskers. And then a pink shimmery color. It's a pink shimmery color right here, and it's called Paw Print. And then there's another brown matte here called Fiery. And then there's this black gray shimmer that has like a green tint to it right here, and that's called Lush. So that is everything in our Boxycharm for this month. We have the eyeshadow palette, the lippies, 2 skincare products in a body balm and an eye cream, which is fabulous. And this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I'm definitely going to have some fun with this. I'm probably going to get it everywhere. My room is going to be glittery. Just wait and see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this look into Boxycharm for June 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get updates on my new videos when I upload a bloodlust tutorial and, well, when I just do other stuff. I do fun stuff. Come and join me. Subscribe. I'll see you later. You all have a beautiful, healthy day. Bye!